Hi guys, welcome back to the Teen Hangout Show with me, Maren.
I'm Maureen.
And this is our best friend,
Yvonne.
Today we are hosting Yvonne on our channel, and please also go and check out her channel. She'll be hosting us in her channel.
Yeah, we'll just leave a link
down below. And today we're going to be doing how well do you know your best friend? So in this case, in our channel, she'll be answering some questions about us, and in her channel, we'll be doing the same about her.
Yeah, answering questions about her.
Yeah.
So let's just jump into it.
Yeah. Are you ready to be put on the spot?
Fingers crossed. I got this.
But I know you got it. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
Do this.
Okay, so the first question, describe our style in one word. Ours.
Your style in one word. One word. It could be simple.
Simple.
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
The reason why I'm saying that because you guys you don't like to you want to look like good. You want to look good, but at the end of the day you want to, like, if it's attracting, you just want somebody to spot like a thing like that looks good.
Exactly.
So you just want to put it like simple and classy,
Yeah.
Simple and classy.
That's 1 point for you.
Yes.
Okay, let's go to the next question. In a few words, describe the type of music we listen to. She
might not remember this, but she once told us the type of music we listen to,
and we remember it till this day.
I know
she has forgotten.
So, but let's just wait and see.
Oh gosh. Hypnotic or something.
Well, with your own words, I'll just repeat.
And my mom actually concurred with her.
She said, "Mimi mnapenda kusikia music sad."
She says we love sad music.
Yeah, like something relaxing, something that is so low key.
Yeah, very soft music. But to
but
you, that is depressing.
You don't rest that you feeling music.
Like, how could you just like sit down and you're like somebody singing? You're gonna sleep.
I know.
But I was almost there.
You were almost there.
Anyway,
the next question. The next question is: if you were not called Radha Marina, pure Radha Marina.
If you don't get this, I don't even know. We'll just stop being friends.
Yeah. What? So, if you weren't called Rajab Marina Pio and Rajab Marina Dongo, what would be our names?
Oh gosh. Oh wow.
Yeah. Other names that
is not documented or whatever.
Yeah. But we know it's anyway, whatever.
Oh no.
You don't remember?
You got me on this.
Oh my! I won't even give you. I won't even give you.
Give me a hint. Give me a hint. Yeah.
Okay.
So the middle name was Grace. Both of us Grace.
You shouldn't even tell
Okay.
her.
You remember one day we texted you and we told you our mom told us that we were supposed to be called Maren something and Maureen something,
and you were like,
Maureen Grace.
God.
Yes, Maureen Grace. What?
Rajab?
No.
Should I tell you?
No,
tell me. Like, I don't remember.
So we were supposed to be called Maureen Grace
Adipo and
is for my
grandfather and Grace is for our grandmother. Not yours, our grandmother.
You remember though? Okay,
yeah.
you didn't
No, you guys got me on this. Like this one.
That one was good.
Oh wow.
Okay. The next question is: when do we have the most fun when we are together, the three of us?
When you I would say that has been like a couple of times, because I know you guys like spend like your birthdays, you forever like two people, and also Christmas, but it would be like
Wait, what I think you're answering just the two of us,
but you meant the three of us.
The three. We have the most fun like when we are together like this.
Like, you want a specific day or the occasion?
No, anytime we are together. Like, what is the activity we do that has the most fun?
I think we no, like we story.
Yeah.
Yes, we story like we story a lot. Like when we meet, we story like, yo, this one happened.
And then catching up and some good tea.
Exactly.
Yeah,
When
of
catch
course.
up. When
we catch up after a long time.
I got this.
Girl.
So the next one, now I'm getting confident in
Me
you.
too.
Can you tell when we are lying? When Maureen and I are lying?
Most of it I will tell.
How?
Most of it I will tell because
How?
if you guys have been genuine to somebody, that would be me.
Yeah.
And when you're lying, you'll probably Maureen Maren, you'll probably like laugh and tell her, no, we are lying, we are kidding. It will be out like so fast.
That's true.
That's why. And then anyway, let me not say it because people we look like saints. We don't lie a lot.
We don't lie a lot, so it takes a lot of practice to lie.
Yeah.
To lie.
And you'll know, if you know them, you'll know they're
You would
lying.
know.
Yeah. So the next one, you ask.
Name any 3 of our favorite. It can be TV show or is it celebrities? Yeah, celebrity crush.
Oh wow.
Any 3 of our celebrity crush. Can I give you a hint?
Yes.
Okay, so
wait, you guys have a celebrity crush?
How do you know?
It's just that we've never given it so much attention.
But you did either that or we didn't think it was a celebrity crush or whatever. So let me give you a hint.
The first one,
they're
twins.
WWE.
They're in WWE.
Okay, they were. So
They had a
they're
reality
retired.
show on E.
Yeah, these ladies, I know them.
What are their names?
What is their name? Nikki and somebody.
Brie.
Nikki and Brie. Yeah,
The Bella
Nikki and Brie.
twins.
But I was about to say Jughead.
Jughead.
Yeah, I was about to say Jughead.
No, we don't hate Jughead, but I like him.
For
but
those who don't know who Jughead is, that is.
and he also has a twin, but he's not a celebrity crush.
Cool, but I got
It can be also a musician,
I'll just
reality
give you
star, or
Okay,
another one.
so you've gotten one, the Bella twins.
Let's try and guess. Maybe you'll guess.
Who again? They're not Kenyans, right?
I don't think in Kenya we have a celebrity crush.
Die for.
Yeah.
Who could this be? She or he's a movie star?
It can be anyone from
Anybody,
musician to movie stars to reality stars, anybody.
Oh my god, this is
Stop.
not happening to me. Like not even like celebrity. We talk about celebrities, but I've never like
there are so many, right?
Yeah.
You want to give her a clue?
You give her a clue.
Can I give you a clue? Well, to be honest, I wouldn't really say the first ones who gave you, the Bella twins. Those are like our celebrity crush.
I think
we look up to them and everything.
The other ones are YouTubers. They're also twins.
Oh, these are you showed me, right? Yeah. I know them. Yeah, but I know them.
But I think
you're
the first letter B, both B's.
Oh gosh.
There is I don't know if it's a city or it's not town, it's just a place in New York called you've given her the name.
Okay, Brooklyn.
Okay, one twin is called Brooklyn, the other twin is called
I don't know, you guys.
Okay, Brooklyn and Bailey, and then the next celebrities
the Merrill twins,
Vanessa and Veronica,
and they're both YouTubers, so you can check them out.
Yeah.
Okay, the next
that was tough.
That was tough. It was a tough.
If we had only 1 year to live, what would we want to check off our bucket list?
Well, you guys, this one I know.
Okay.
This one I know. 1 year to live.
Yeah.
Like, what would be like in your bucket list?
Yeah. The only thing that we'd like to check off our bucket list.
To travel, vlog,
Woo!
and do.
I know. Exactly. By the way, if someone, thank you for getting that. If you didn't get that,
I know, right?
I'd be disappointed.
I know.
Yeah.
You know the way what is it called, in reality show, people would go like this. That's how you'd be. But I'm lying. I would do that to you.
Yeah, like if we had 1 year to live, like
we'd like to travel the world, baggage free, just live our lives, vlogging, photography,
just enjoying mother.
I know.
That's anyway. Someday.
That's a plug.
Man. Okay, the next one. What's that one thing that I'd never admit to anyone?
Wow. Wow. You got me right.
Yeah.
You're using my weapons again.
Yes, we are.
That would never admit to someone. Well, this is kind of like tricky for me, but I'll say maybe the way people view you, but there's a real Maren and Maureen who has like different struggles. Like it's something that you wouldn't just go and somebody will tell you like this is happening and you'll be like it's happening.
It's true. In short, it takes a lot for you to open up
to open up
to people. You're sure.
Yeah,
but I've really struggled because I was looking like the angle like what would that be?
Is that one thing?
Yeah.
And you played it safe, you just generalize everything and it happens to be
the
true.
truth. Yeah.
So we just move on to the next question. If I had one place to go, where will that be? Just one place to go, where would that be?
Let me I'm not so sure about this, but I think like even if it's not gonna be the place that you would go, but you can reconsider. You can reconsider to the fact that you guys love like videography, photography, and the beautiful environment. I think that would be Maldives because it has such a beautiful sceneries.
You say Maldives? Where's that? I don't know where that place is.
No, but I think because she's saying it has beautiful scenery, because of the reason, it's a place we'd want to go, obviously.
Yeah. Or let me say just something like maybe like even Denmark is good.
Yeah, it's good.
Maybe something like that.
Yeah, so we follow the sceneries. Yeah.
So that was it for today for our channel. Remember, we'll be doing the same concept
in her channel, and we'll also leave a description for you to follow so that you can get to her channel, and please subscribe to her channel as well.
So thank you for joining us, and remember, for those who have not subscribed, you can just hit the red button below, and you can also leave a comment. We'd love to know what you people think about this video. And thank you so much for joining us. This was so much fun.
Thank you, Yvonne, for coming to our channel.
By the way, you're our best friend. We don't take for granted that you just dropped everything
and came for us
for us to do this video.
We appreciate it.
It's cool.
Okay, so
bye.
Until next time, bye.